Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to the new session. We have been discussing the question answers of the lesson The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom, right? Let us continue the remaining part. Working with language. Read the following conversation. Here we have a conversation. Ravi and Mridu are interacting. Firstly, Ravi, what are you doing? Ravi asked Mridu what she was doing. Mridu, I am reading a book. Mridu answered that she was reading a book. Ravi, who wrote it? Ravi asked, who is the author of the book? Mridu, Ruskin Bond. Mridu stated that Ruskin Bond. Ravi, where did you find it? Ravi asked Mridu where she found it. Mridu, in the library. Mridu answered that she found the book in the library. This is the conversation. Notice that what, who, where are question words. Questions that require information begin with question words, right? The words which seek answer begin with question words. The sentences which seek information, which look for information, they will be having question words. They are also called WH words. Some other question words are when, why, where, which, how. These are the questioning words. Few more we can find. How long, how often, how many, how much, right? Here we have the description about WH words, question words. Let us know it. What ask about actions, things, etc. The WH word, what is used to ask about the actions and things. Who asks about people? Questioning word, who is used to ask about person, people, right? Next one, which asks about people or things, which is used to ask about things, even for people. Where asks about place, the WH word, where asks about the place or spot. When asks about time, the WH word when asks about the time of the action. Why? Why asks about reason or purpose. The WH word why is used to ask about the reason behind an action. How asks about means or manner or degree. How is used to ask about in which manner that action took place, right? Who's asked about possessions. The WH word whose is used to ask about possessiveness or ownership. Read the following paragraph and frame questions on the italicized phrases. Here we have a short paragraph and some words are italicized. Those should be answered in the same way. In that way, we have to frame the questions. Anil is in school. Here, in school is italicized, right? How to get that answer? How to frame the question on that statement? Where is Anil? Right? I am in school too. Anil is sitting in the left row. In the left row is italicized, right? We can frame the question, where is Anil sitting? Next one, he is reading a book. Reading a book is italicized. We have to get that phrase as answer. How to frame the question? What is Anil doing? What is he doing? Right? Anil's friend is sitting in the second row. He is sharpening his pencil. Here, where is Anil's friend sitting? Anil's friend is sitting in the second row. In the second row is italicized here. To get that phrase as answer, we have to ask where is Anil's friend sitting. He is sharpening his pencil. What is Anil's friend doing? Right? Here sharpening his pencil is italicized. To get that statement, that to get that phrase as answer, we have to frame the question. What is Anil's friend doing? Right? The teacher is writing on the blackboard. Who is writing on the blackboard? Who is used? The answer is the teacher. Children are writing in their copybooks. Some children are looking out of the window. Here, what are some children doing? Italicized phrase looking out of the window. Some children are looking out of the window. This is how the questions are framed on the italicized phrases, right? Next one, write appropriate question words in the blank spaces in the following dialogue. Here also we have a conversation. In this conversation, the WH words, question words are missed. We have to fill the blank with suitable question words. Neha, dash, did you get this book? Sheila answered for that, yesterday morning. Sheila is answering the time of the action, right? So when should be there. When should be filled in the first blank. When did you get this book? The answer is yesterday morning. Neha, dash, is your sister crying? Sheila answered, because she has lost her doll. Here we have to fill why, because Sheila is giving reason. Why is your sister crying? Because she has lost her doll. Again, Neha, dash room is this yours? Dash room is this yours or hers? Sheila answered, it is ours. Whose room is this? Yours or hers? Sheila answered, it is ours. Next, Neha, dash, do you go to school? Sheila answered, we walk to school, it is nearby. The suitable WH word is how. How do you go to school? Right? These are the answers. Pause this video and note down these answers. Next one, fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. How, what, when, where, which. The suitable WH words should be used in the blank. First one, my friend lost his chemistry book. Now he doesn't know dash to do and dash to look for it. The suitable words are what and where. My friend lost his chemistry book. Now he doesn't know what to do and where to look for it. Second one, there are so many toys in the shops. Nina can't decide dash one to buy. The correct answer is which. There are so many books, there are so many toys in the shops. Nina can't decide which one to buy, right? Third one, you don't know the way to my school. Ask the policeman dash to get there. You don't know the way to my school. Ask the policeman how to get there. The suitable WH word is how. Fourth one, you should decide soon dash to start building your house. The suitable word is when. You should decide soon when to start building your house. Do you know dash to ride a bicycle? I don't remember and I learnt it. Do you know how to ride a bicycle? I don't remember and I learnt it. Sixth one, you should know dash to talk and dash to keep your mouth shut. The teacher advised Anil. You should know When to talk and when to keep your mouth shut, the teacher advised Anil. These are the answers. You have to pause this video and note these answers. The remaining three. This is about exercise part of the lesson, the ashes that made trees blue. Complete this exercise. We will continue the remaining part in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.